In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq Whiteboards. By the end, you'll know how to open the whiteboard space, create a new board, give it a clear title, and start building ideas visually with blocks, drawings, and text. Start by opening Logseq on your device. If you're new to the app, think of Logseq as your network notebook, where pages and blocks link together. Whiteboards sit on top of that knowledge, giving you an infinite canvas that stays connected to your graph. Once Logseq is open, look for the Whiteboards area in the interface. This is your hub for everything visual: mind maps, project outlines, brainstorming, or even quick sketch notes that reference your existing pages. Open the Whiteboard section and create a new whiteboard. You'll land on a blank canvas. This space is flexible and forgiving, so don't worry about getting things perfect right away. You can always move, resize, or delete items as you go. Right away, give your whiteboard a title. A clear title makes it easy to find later and keeps your graph organized. Use a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the board, something like Q2 Planning or Research Map. You can rename it at any time by clicking the title area again, so treat it like a label that evolves with your work. Now you're ready to add content. If you already have notes in your graph, you can add a block to the canvas. Blocks are the building units of Logseq pages, and on a whiteboard they become draggable cards you can arrange visually. Add a block, position it where it makes sense, and resize it if you want to emphasize a point. This is great for pulling in key ideas you've already captured elsewhere and seeing them side by side. To bring ideas to life, use the Draw tool. Pick the pencil and sketch arrows, loops, or quick diagrams to show relationships. Adjust stroke size and color to differentiate sections or highlight priorities. Drawing is perfect for fast thinking, mapping flows, circling important notes, or sketching rough structures before you refine them. Finally, add text directly to the canvas. The text tool lets you drop labels, headings, and short notes anywhere. Use it to name clusters, summarize a group of blocks, or leave instructions for yourself. Combine text with your drawings and blocks to produce a clear, layered view of your ideas. That's it. Open Logseq, go to Whiteboards, create a new board, title it clearly, then add blocks, draw, and place text. Your changes save automatically, so feel free to experiment and iterate.